Hello everyone, welcome back to Jan Family. We'll go around the Pusan National University campus today, and we'll start from the PNU subway station, and we'll take a we'll take a shuttle bus from there, and then we'll get down near the PNU main gate. Actually, I'm walking towards the PNU subway station. But you can see the T symbol here, it's money. It's mainly for using transportation. So when you go to that bank, you can tell them that I also want to use it for my travel. So they will make it for you. Then you can see that symbol T, that's transportation. But yeah, to reach in PNU, it costs around 700 to 800 won. That's very cheap. But now I'm thinking to walk to the PNU. So I changed my plan. So this is the third exit. So, and you can see the bus there, the 7-number bus. And now I'm thinking to walk to the PNU. That would be, really good for me. So this is a small street, and you need to cross this walk towards the PNU main gate. You can see so many shops here. The clothes shop. And evening it will be very rush here. In the morning it's really cool to walk. Not much people, not much crowded too. This is one of the famous cloth brand, that is Pago. This is a signal. We need to cross the signal and walk around 100 meters, and you'll reach near the PNU main gate. So let's wait for the signal. This is a PNU main gate. You can see there Green Campus PNU, and another one. This is our favorite department store, NC department stores. So we used to buy almost everything from here. In the down floor you get all groceries and other things. Okay. See, there is a ground. And this is administrative building of PNU. Daehakgyo, the administrative building. And this is the ground. People play the basketball, soccer. Sometimes other programs, culture programs will usually conducted here, but because of Corona nowadays, no crowded, nothing. Now kids are playing there. These kids actually They are from the PNU kindergarten. So usually in the middle of the day they just come here and explore. It's really good, no? I joined in the PNU in 2015. Now it's 2020 and almost. I've been here for 6 years. I have completed my PhD. I really love this place and this university and the campus. Always vibrant. Okay. See, there is a cafe inside. Oh, this is Busan interior campus map. Let me show you. Oh, we'll start from the top. That the gymnasium, the building of construction that's under construction, and there is a big ground is there on the top, and other things are where I am doing. I'll show you. Different area, engineering buildings, central library. 2 libraries are there in. And even dormitory, and men and women. We came from the main gate, and if you go this way, you'll reach in another gate, that is a rainbow gate. And there is one more gate, that's on the north side, that's a north gate. Oh, this engineering building, material science department. NH Bank. That is non-HUB bank, agricultural bank, where we do all our money transaction. We take our accounts and all, which is very near to our departments, so it's easily accessible. And sometimes we spend our time here, so we can sit here, relax. Oh, this is really cool place. Okay, let's go again on the top. So this is the chemical engineering building where I have done my PhD. Okay, see the bridge. So when it rains, it's beautiful. And the history of the stone also has written here. It's a 5-stone pagoda. That's a pagoda. Maybe we have shown this in our temple videos. It's beautiful. And this is a museum. It's all about the history of PNU and other things. And also you see that the marine protected area is the first protected area in the university campus in Korea. Listing the area strictly prohibited except in the research purpose. This is one of the libraries, Central Library. There is one more library down there near the north gate. I'll show you that too. This is also a really good place where we used to come and sit. Sometimes we play badminton here. Almost every day in the morning, if you come here, you can see that old people, they play every day, and it's really good. Oh, they cleaned it. Oh, it was not that clean 2 weeks back, so they made it much more beautiful. See that shuttle bus, it reached here. So it will go near the stadium, and again come back. You'll go back to the PNU subway station. Ooh, this kind of a hiking. 2 days back I came with Jan. Oh, in the stroller, she could not walk, so she was sitting in the stroller and I was just pushing. Oh, we reached near 707 building. It's a music department. It's a gymnasium and a hall where usually our convocation ceremony and other things. Whew. It's really tired. Oh my god. But I love hiking, so I'm very happy to walk and walk and walk. Oh, so I'm coming down and I'm just moving towards cafeteria. Okay. So Anju is waiting for me there. So we'll go for lunch. It's 11:30 now. Okay, that's the chemistry department. Also see a tennis court. Okay, near the cafeteria there is another building of the School of Business. I will go show you that. The School of Business, this entrance. Wow, this entrance of School of Business. So I reached almost near the canteen, this canteen or canteen backside. Okay. So here she is, my beautiful wife.
Hello.
Okay.
So we are going for lunch.
Yes.
Canteen is here. Let's see what's special today.
Exactly. So we need to scan the QR code. Okay. Then body temperature. Due to COVID, we have to sit separately and it will cover with this plastic cover. So, and this is today's food. Actually, this is kind of a kimchi jjigae. The kimchi in the soup, the radish pickle, potato. This pork cutlet. I think it's a pork cutlet, maybe chicken. I don't know. So that's for our lunch. So we are going to have our lunch. It's delicious. Bebulla. That means my stomach is full. So we finished our lunch. So you back to lab?
Yes, I'm back.
So I'm also moving. Okay, I'm moving out of the campus, and I told you there is another library, which is Seoul Library. So, and these are dormitories, you can see here, and This is the north side of the campus, and that's the north gate. Okay, I'm just out of the campus now. So I think I covered almost all the part of PKNU, but still there are more departments and beautiful things. So hope you all enjoyed our video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.